Are you ever just driving along and you feel a bit peckish? And like me, you're in the middle of nowhere and I've had no breakfast, so I'm a bit Hank Marvin, and you could do with something to eat. There ain't no McDonald's, there's nothing. So I know I got my brew kit and my little cooker in the back. I think we're going to try and make a dish out of what we can find. Now, I know where there's some eggs and I know where there's some wild garlic. So I think we're going to get us some eggs from one of the best kept secrets in the area. The most amazing eggs, just on the side of the road. Go and get us some wild garlic, get in a wood and knock up a wild garlic omelette. What could be finer on a wonderful spring day like today? Egg bound we are. Now you wait till you see these. These are some of the finest eggs known to humankind. Great little place. Some of the finest eggs known to humankind are in a wheelbarrow. I've got my change, £1.50. Now that's what I call shopping. Next, wild garlic. Oh, and put my seatbelt on. So I thought I would pull over and show you these magnificent eggs I got. They're just amazing. Just have a look at them. But as they say round here, or they don't, one egg does not an omelette make. Right, need to find that wild garlic. I spy with my little eye something beginning with wild just by that gate. Look, some there, but we'll go a little bit further. You know the rules. Don't take loads unless you're going to use it. So just a bit for an omelette. There. Colours just stunning all the time. All it needs now is for us to make it. By us I mean me. This is already too long, this film, but I just love it round here. So we're directly over the road in the wood from where I just picked that wild garlic. This is my kit bag I take crayfishing. I've got no morals, tofu QT, but here's what we need: our little stove, got our frying pan, got our eggs, and we got our garlic. Let's do it. So I haven't got a chopping board, so I'm going to have to use one of my books I got in the car. So it's just a case of just gently, without wrecking a book, going through it. 3 eggy Egberts. Always 3 eggs in an omelette. Get them in. 1, 2, 3. Beat the bejesus out of them. Look at the colour of that. Get some air into it. Not pubic, fresh. Right. Fire. A spot of oil, because I've got no butter, we're in the middle of nowhere. Get our eggs in. Just let it set gently. I'm just going to push it into the middle and let the outside set again. And get my wild garlic in there. Bearing in mind this is cooking outdoors. Just one simple omelette. Oh, I can't wait to get stuck in. So good. Know what it needs. Some chilli and garlic salt. Let's get that on. Let's get this down with Gregory Peck. Wild, rustic, mental. Oh. That was epic. I hope you like that little culinary adventure, bit of wild cooking, free ingredients apart from the eggs. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Light, fluffy, super fresh eggs, super fresh wild garlic. Yeah, job's a good one. Take care. Just got to go home now and wash this up. I could just go do a Floyd.